And the India AI Impact Summit kicks off, bringing together delegations from over 45 countries and more than 3,000 speakers. Now, global tech leaders, including Sam Altman of OpenAI, Darlo Model of Anthropic, and Sundar Pichai of Google are attending. World leaders, including Emmanuel Macron, Luis Luna da Silva, as well as Pedro Sandris, as well as many other leaders will also be present. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the expo as India pushes for global consensus on AI governance and shared digital commons. Now, let me take it across to my colleague Sumita, who joins in to tell us what to watch out for. Take it away, Sumita.
Absolutely. So all roads lead to New Delhi, here in the national capital, where the 5-day India AI Impact Summit is going to be organized over the next couple of days. And remember, the summit is going to be seeing attendance from the who's who of the tech world, whether it's policy, whether it's governance, whether it's corporates or think tanks. Everybody is going to be here in New Delhi. Remember, this summit is happening in India after it happened in France last year. And of course, this is the first time that an AI summit is happening in the Global South. So that is going to be India's agenda as well. And this is something that we've seen with respect to India's policy on AI as well, that AI should be democratized. It should be for all planet and people. And in fact, a democratization of AI and establishing some sort of, common ground as far as principles of AI is concerned, or regulating principles of AI is concerned. That, remember, is going to be the key highlight at this summit. But like you stated, there's going to be Sam Altman, Sundar Pichai. There's also going to be participation from Amazon, from Anthropic's Dario Amodei, like you stated. He's also going to be here. So you name any particular tech brand, and they're all going to be here in New Delhi. Interesting conversations lined up, given the fact that we have over 3,000 speakers. But what's also interesting is that this is not just about technology. This is about geoeconomics as well, because you have the French President Emmanuel Macron, who's coming in tonight to India. He will be in Mumbai, and of course he will be holding a bilateral summit with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and then later on he joins in New Delhi.
Right, we will be getting you all the action from the AI Summit, where the who's who of the world and the tech world will be joining in, and it's going to be a